Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, and you, sir?
I'm cool. Who are you?
No need. You don't need to know me. The question is what I'm here for.
Alright. What are you here for?
Good. I heard you are the boss of this town. Adstera boss. Nice guy. When was the last time you settled area boys?
Wait. I don't understand. Why are you pushing me?
Well, first of all, introduction. I'm one of the bad boys in this town. My name is M.C. Psycho. For your information, why spending Adstera and Admob money in this town? Don't think we are not watching you. Come and see us. Or else. We help you flex the remaining side of the money plus upcoming cash out.
Is that why you're pushing me?
Damn.
I'm sorry, sir. I will settle you now.
No. I'm not taking cash. You are going to explain how you make your money. You beach. I chatted you on Facebook. You ignored me. I source for your number on WhatsApp. You ignored me. It's payback time since you like hiding update. You share it by force. And be fast or I shoot you here.
Alright. I will share it with you. It's very simple. Just that we will need to sit down and discuss it.
Listen, if you try nonsense, trust me, I wipe off your cord. Calm down or you go down. When are we talking?
Come tomorrow at Mr. Big Hotels.
Big guy, big man. So you are living in hotel. Alright, I will come. I won't give you time, but expect me anytime.
Okay, no problem. Guy. I need to be very careful. These guys are after my life. Because I share tutorials on YouTube. But no problem, it's part of life.
Young man, don't run. This is how we move.
So you can disappear. Wow. That's good.
Come and sit down here, let's talk. There is no time.
But, how did you get in here?
I can disappear, and appear. You should know that from yesterday we met.
You be bad guy indeed.
You said so. Young man, may we start?
Sorry. Please, you need to calm your spirit. I'm your friend, okay? Stop scaring me.
That's my life, so you need not to worry.
Okay. I make my money from two different sources. That's Adstera and Admob.
You don't need to tell me that. I want to hear how you did it.
Sorry. Okay, there's no hidden way I do it. I use one mobile app which taught me how to make money online.
How do I get it?
It's on Play Store.
What's the name of the app? And what's the app all about?
I created a Admob account. I had no coding experience to build my mobile app so that I will be making money. Then, I was walking through Play Store and I found app, which helped me to create the app. The app contains video tutorial showing me how to go about it, which I followed and I was able to create my own app. Now I'm making my cash. Look at it here. Go to Play Store. Search for appcreator24. You will see many app bearing same name. Then, look for this one colored red, that's the one. Install it and enjoy forever. Make your money and thank me later.
Something you should have told me since, and you are waiting for me to show you bad side of me before you share the update. Well, I will get the app now, and how about Adstera?
That should be next time. When you will come to show me your earnings on Admob. Then we talk about that.
Okay, no problem. See you then.
Hey guys. As you make your money, stay safe. Subscribe now for more updates. I included the name of the app on this video description. Thanks.